Welcome to this presentation on Revitalizing Agile Methodologies, addressing zombie scrum and procedural rigidity. In this session, we will explore the key challenges faced by Agile teams today, focusing on the zombie scrum phenomenon and its impact on productivity. We will also discuss how Agile can be rejuvenated through purpose-driven engagement and the use of modern technologies like AI. Agile methodologies have become central to modern software development, highly valued for their flexibility, adaptability, and collaborative approach. However, as Agile has become more widespread, a significant gap between its core principles and the raw application has emerged. This misalignment, particularly in remote and hybrid work environments, has led to a situation where Agile rituals such as frequent meetings and structured sprints have become rigid processes that stifle innovation. One major challenge that has emerged in Agile, especially in remote teams, is meeting overload. What was originally intended to foster collaboration has instead led to an environment where meetings disrupt focus and reduce time for productive work. Ironically, this excessive focus on meetings compromises the very principles of flexibility and collaboration that Agile was designed to support. Another challenge lies in the role of Scrum Masters. While Scrum Masters are meant to facilitate productivity and team autonomy, many find themselves in micromanaging, especially when lacking technical expertise. This diminishes the team's autonomy and turns Agile into procedural checklists rather than adaptive dynamic framework that encourages innovation. A term that has emerged in the response to this issue is a zombie scrum. This refers to teams that perform Agile rituals such as daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and sprint planning without engaging meaningfully with the purpose behind them. These ceremonies become hollow, disconnected from real outcomes, and the team's morale suffers as they focus on completing tasks to meet internal processes metrics rather than delivering valuable software. A critical issue with zombie scrum is the feature factory mindset. In this approach, the focus shifts from delivering valuable products to simply completing tasks to meet sprint deadlines. As a result, teams prioritize quantity over quality, delivering features that may satisfy internal goals but fail to serve the real needs of users. This not only diminishes the strategic value of the work but also reduces developer engagement and creativity. One of the biggest issues in zombie scrum teams is the lack of stakeholder engagement. When teams fail to involve stakeholders meaningfully in the process, they miss out on essential feedback that could guide product development. This isolation leads to a disconnection from real user needs and prevents teams from aligning their work with the broader business goals, leaving them working in a vacuum. To overcome these challenges, Agile practices need to be realigned with purpose-driven engagement. Meetings must be outcome-focused with clear agendas that align with project goals. By focusing on meaningful interactions and aligning every Agile ritual with tangible outcomes, we can restore Agile to its intended purpose, delivering valuable user-centered solutions rather than simply completing a checklist of tasks. One way to enhance Agile practices is by integrating artificial intelligence, AI. AI tools can provide real-time feedback, allowing teams to optimize resource allocation, prioritize tasks more effectively, and anticipate bottlenecks. This integration not only streamlines processes but also supports decision-making, helping teams stay adaptive and responsive to changing project requirements. Agile should be viewed as a mindset rather than a rigid set of procedures. Teams must move away from blind adherence to processes and instead focus on continuous improvement. By embracing flexibility, teams can make decisions based on real-time feedback, fostering an environment that supports innovation and dynamic problem solving. This approach will help teams create solutions that are both effective and adaptable. In retrospectives, a key element of Agile often become empty ritual in Zombie Scrum. Without actionable insights, teams remain stagnant, unable to identify and implement improvements. Retrospectives should be used as an opportunity to reflect on practices and processes, learn from mistakes, and adapt to ensure continuous growth. When this is neglected, teams miss out on the key benefits of Agile: constant evolution and improvement. Remote work has posed specific challenges for Agile teams, such as the lack of spontaneous interactions and increase in meeting overload. To address this, Agile practices need to be adapted to support remote environments. This means minimizing non-essential meetings and ensuring that the virtual workspace fosters collaboration and innovation rather than hindering it. Remote Agile must strike a balance between necessary collaboration and uninterrupted time for focused work. As Agile continues to evolve, many organizations are turning to hybrid models that combine the flexibility of Agile with the structure of Waterfall. This approach addresses the limitations of each methodology in a particularly useful for large-scale projects where parts of the project may require a more structured approach, while others benefit from Agile's iterative cycles. By integrating both methodologies, organizations can ensure that projects stay on track while remaining responsive to changes. In conclusion, while Agile methodologies have transformed software development, their potential is often undermined by rigid adherence to processes. To restore Agile's true value, we need to refocus on its core principles: collaboration, adaptability, and stakeholder engagement. By recalibrating our approach, embracing Agile as a mindset, and integrating AI tools to optimize workflows, we can address the challenges of Zombie Scrum and return to delivering meaningful user-centered products. Finally, here are the key references that informed this presentation, providing insights into Agile methodologies, the Zombie Scrum phenomenon, and the role of AI in optimizing Agile workflows. These studies highlight the evolving nature of Agile and the need for continuous adaptation to meet the demands of modern software development. Thank you for your attention. For a deeper dive into the topics discussed, I encourage you to read the full article in the Proceedings. It offers more insights and practical strategies to help Agile teams overcome challenges and restore its true value. Thank you again and enjoy the read.